Hello teachers, parents and learners. Welcome to our channel Gleeful Grow, the joy of learning. So today we are going to learn about am family words. So let's start. Am words makes the sound am. Am. So let's learn some am words. D. Am. Dam. H. Am. Ham. J. Am. Jam. R. Am. Ram. Y. Am. Yam. So, what we have learned today? We have learnt about family words. So, let's recall again. D. Am. Dam. H. Am. Ham. J. Am. Jam. R. Am. Ram. Y. Am. Yam. Now let's read and rhyme. Am Sam has a big am ham. Sam has a big ham. Am Pam has a white am ram. Pam has a white ram. Am Sam likes am yam. Sam likes yam. We like am jam. We like jam. I am swam to the am dam. I swam to the dam. Sam has a big ham. Pam has a white ram. Sam likes yam. We like jam. I swam to the dam. That's it. We have learned am words today. If you like learning about am family, please give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching our video.